Project 23 is fairly simple. You initiate your variables void setup, void loop. If the sensor value is greater than or equal to 750, if that's yes, we stop the conveyor, which means there's a piece on the conveyor belt in front of the sensor. Then we would delay so that if I pull the brick off, then it will start back up again. So let's put that to work. Here's the code. It's a simple code. If the sensor value is greater than 750, we digital write 50 to turn it off. And then if that's not true, then it's 51. So I run a block along and it will cause it to stop right there. And then I remove it and it starts back up.